Beal, and this is LPH Motorsports.
Alright guys, here we are, another episode. No car today, motor work today only. We're going to take out all the wiring harness, get rid of it, we don't need it. We're going to order the Holley transfer case, selling it, not going to build it. I thought about it, did the numbers, TH400, about the same price, couple $100 more, rated for more power. We're going to pretty much take everything off, split it, the bell housing, take off the starter, split it, put the engine on the stand. We could take off the heads, ship them to Texas Speed, get some horsepower going in there, some blah, 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 blahs.
Clean all this.
We're taking pretty much everything off. Clean the motor because the motor, as you can see, has rocks everywhere. We don't need none of this. All this is coming off. We don't need none of this. We'll hit you up with some progress in the middle. All right, guys, here we are, wrenching away. Got a lot of the cables out. Feels over here, actually working, you know. Cleaning up. There's a really, really bad smell. We don't know where the hell it's coming from.
Really bad.
All this cable, we're gonna try to sell it. We don't know. I'm a throw it away kind of guy. Feels a sell it kind of guy.
It's free money, man.
We have a bunch of rocks.
I think they're turds, though.
Turds or rocks, either one.
I think it's rocks with rat turds because it stinks. Really bad.
We'll update you guys in a little while. All right, guys, another little update here. We're working hard. We got pretty much everything off. We took off the alternator, the belt, feels.
This is how you take a manifold off without taking screws off.
Let's see it. Ready? Abracadabra.
That's it.
That's it. It's done. It's ready to come off.
You grab it like a man, real tight. Just come up right there.
Bam. Clean right off the motor. We have a bunch of rocks and probably rat poop, but whatever. It is what it is. It's coming along. We're working. We still got to pull all the harness off the trans and the transfer case. All this that comes down here. Take off the fans, everything from the front. But we're moving.
I'm going to clean all that up now. We got to take the heads off, so we're going to vacuum everything once we take the heads off and clean it all up. And
catch you in a little while.
Let's do it.
Here's a little update. Pretty much everything's taken off. We got all the parts scattered around. We're trying to be organized. We're putting all the bolts back in so we don't lose anything. All the harness is pretty much off. It's just connected to the tranny. We got everything off, the valley cover. Now we're going to hook up the lifting plate, take it off, lift it up a little bit so we can take off the trans and then put the motor on the stand. We'll update you guys in a little while. All right, guys, we got a little update here. Torque converter bolts, 3 of them. Came all out, easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
We got, look, everything over here labeled. We got to be as organized as we can. We don't want to lose anything. So we got them out. Got to take the bell housing bolts now. We have the crane already here, the cherry picker. We're going to separate it. We have all that harness, all that weight reduction.
$100, come and get it. It's for sale.
We'll update you now when we split it.
We got an AC compressor for sale.
AC compressor.
We got a
power steering
and power steering mount with the alternator mount for sale. And
probably a trucking manifold too.
We got a water pump for sale with a fan.
But guys, we're working, we're moving, so we'll hit you up in a little while. All right, guys, we're almost done. We're on the home stretch. Theo's over here taking off the plate. Motor's off. It's on the stand. Tranny, we threw it in the backyard. We covered it up. We got all the parts box now. We're gonna probably need another box. We got McDonald's, sponsored by McDonald's. We wish. Not sponsored yet. We will be one day. Ziplocs to organize. Now we gotta start. We could get sponsored by Milwaukee too. Milwaukee, shout out. Our email, lphmotorsports@gmail.com. We got a bunch of parts, a harness. Just clean up time, organize everything, put the cherry picker away, toolbox, another toolbox. We'll talk to you guys when we're done organizing everything, and we'll close it out.
Yo, what it do, what it is, guys. We got an ear itch. So we got head number 1 out. Everything's labeled 1, 3, 5, and 7. This is for bank 1. Head number 1, actually pretty decent condition. I'm about to go ahead and take the lifters out. I'm going to show you guys how we take the head off on bank 2. So keep track of all your stuff. Make sure everything's in order. Make sure you're remembering where everything came off of. It'll make the process a lot easier. So Yayo stepped out. He's coming right back. Keep track of all your stuff. Stay organized. Label everything. We got everything labeled in bags. Ziploc bags. Use all take as much time to organize all your stuff, and it'll make the process just that much easier. And yeah, we're gonna show you guys Bank 2 right now.
All right, guys, we're done. We're done. Tired, parts everywhere.
We
Bank
got the
2 is
transmission
off.
off. Put the trans in my
Backyard.
backyard. We're selling it. If anybody needs a 4060, hit us up.
With
We
the
got one
transfer
for sale.
case.
With
Give
a
it to
transfer
you,
case.
and I'll throw in the harness if you need it.
We got a harness over there ready for it. Everything is perfect. Nothing is cut. So if you need a harness or a 4060 and a transfer case,
Bill didn't update you guys after Bank 2. But
no. So Bank 2 is out. This is Bank 1. This is Bank 2. But you can't see Bank 2 because we already put the motor away. Everything's cleaned up. Everything's in decent condition. Nothing looks warped or overheated or nothing like that. There's few hot spots, but they're all in the center.
Hold it anyways.
They're all in the center of the pistons, so they're decent, and that's where you would really want it. The
We might
cylinder walls
upgrade-
look good.
You might upgrade pistons. We don't know yet. It's all about the budget.
We'll cross that
Budget
bridge when we
build.
get there.
Saving money. Now we're gonna go over here to the workbench. Our head gaskets.
Got
They don't
everything
look
ready
that
to ship
bad.
out.
Our heads are ready to ship out to Texas Speed. This head, as you can see, looks like it was replaced. Look at the difference in the color.
You'll see it in the rocker arms here in a sec.
The rocker arms, you can tell, this is from the side that looks replaced. They're a lot lighter. Look at the darker side. They're a lot darker.
They're still in good condition. You could just tell the
For whatever
difference.
reason, they changed them. Whatever. We're going to change
But-
them anyway. I don't really like reusing old parts.
The combustion chambers look nice and even all around.
So Texas Speed is doing stock heads, ported, valves, springs, retainers, everything upgraded. A stage 2.5 cam, I believe it is, for nitrous, because if you ain't spraying,
You ain't praying.
there you go. So we gotta ship this out. It takes about a month, I think they said, turnaround from when we ship it till they get it, flip it back around. Hopefully it's gonna sound a lot better. Hopefully, I'm gonna make sure I want a nice choppy cam to be stockish.
It'll chop plenty.
It should be a lot better than what it is. The guy told us it's gonna flow a lot better. It's gonna be on motor, no nitrous. I would say around 450 to the tire, give or take.
Hopefully.
If I get that,
Being
I'll be
optimistic.
happy. If not, just more bottle.
We'll be around there. Yeah.
And that's it for this episode.
We'll update you guys once we ship everything out.
It's a process with them.
This is episode 8 or something. What
I don't
are
know,
we
I
doing
lost
next?
count of
What are
episodes.
we doing next?
Next is probably gonna be cleaning that up and painting it,
Yeah, we gotta pull the pistons out. We gotta gap the rings. We gotta hone the cylinders.
or get new pistons. We don't know yet.
So we gotta do a little bit of work here, but it's staying stock for right now. So we're
I'm not
we
sleeving
might
it. I'm not.
we
doing
might
anything
not
out of this
replace
world.
pistons, but everything looks like it's in good shape. So we'll probably just gap the rings, hone the cylinders, clear all the bearings, maybe just replace the bearings since we're already in there and they're not too expensive.
We have to change the cam
So,
when we
right.
get it back from Texas Speed. They give us the head completely built. It's completely built already, so we just have to literally slap it on, throw the cam in,
So when we get the heads back, we get the cam and the push rods back, and we'll be able to
Slap it in.
throw everything back together, and
Get this
drop
put
it in the
on.
motor in the car because we already have the cross member in there from AJE.
Tomorrow,
Ready for the swap.
I'm meeting with a buddy of mine, builds transmissions. We're gonna see what he could do for us. We were gonna go with the 4L60, ditched it.
But we're probably gonna make more. than
Doesn't
we
hold
got.
power for it. It's gonna be unreliable. Then we're gonna be spending double the money for no reason. We're going with the TH400. How built are we gonna go? I don't know. He said he was gonna set us up for something that we can. It holds the power now, but it's easily upgradable after. Because I don't want to spend the money twice. Budget build. We gotta keep our dollars in line. We're showing you all the costs. We're not lying. We're not hiding anything. We're doing most of the stuff ourselves.
Yeah.
Obviously, machine work
That's
and
gonna
all
save
that.
you a lot of money because
We can do it.
everything could come out to $5,000, but if you have somebody else do it, you gotta pay for labor, you gotta pay time, you gotta pay all that.
So we're learning too on the way.
Yeah,
We do
definitely.
it, we wing it, but hey, we've gotten this far.
and we're doing it.
Thank you guys for watching.
Get off your
Like-
couch, go do something, build a car, build a shed, build something outside.
Like,
Get off your couch.
subscribe. We gone.
We-